Hey guys, Ksenia Pro here today, and I have this beautiful mama-to-be, Emery, joining us. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy poses for maternity session that anybody can do. So stay tuned. So the first one I usually start with is just a basic pose. Just like one foot on the tippy toe for me. And just bring your knee a little bit across. And we bring your hands on your belly, up and down, just like that. And you're going to be facing me straight on first. Yeah, right there, beautiful. And now just look away, kind of like down your shoulder line. Right there, beautiful. Uh-oh, don't you fall. Now from there, let's move you sideways. So if you face the door for me, yeah, just like that. And bring one foot on the tip of the one that's closer to me usually looks better. Right there, just looking at me, nice and soft over your shoulder. That's beautiful. Right there. Now from there, just your eyes down, kind of like looking down on your belly. Right there, perfect. So now we moved to the window. I'm actually going to be using the window light to create the silhouette. And now this is the perfect time because we have the sun setting behind her, so it's going to be a lot of bright light behind her, and she's going to be a little bit darker against that bright light. So Emery, go ahead and like turn that way. So it's going to be sideways because I want to see the silhouette. Imagine it's just the outlines of your body. I want to see the pretty curves. So we're not going to touch the belly anymore. In fact, we're going to put your hands kind of like behind. Yeah, like that. Foot on the tip of the toe, perfect. And with the chin, very important to keep it kind of like out a little bit. So you're not going to be looking at me. Feel free to look that way or maybe even your eyes down a little bit. Yeah, like that. Okay, let me see how it looks. Right there, that's beautiful. Now let me actually change the settings. I'm going to change it right here so you guys can see how darker it's going to get. And it's going to be mostly in black and white. Look down all the way on your belly. Right there. And now use your right hand and put it on top of your belly. Right there, beautiful. That's another pose. And we can switch it up again. So the right hand, the one that's on your belly right now, bring it right over here. That's beautiful. A little bit higher, almost like on top of the crown. Right there, perfect. That's another one. So the next one is sitting on the floor. It's very easy. You just have to help your client to get down on the floor because when you're pregnant, it's not that easy, right? Okay, so the way you're sitting, that's very pretty. Kind of like lean on this hand. Just mirror me. Right there. And your leg's gonna go crisscross like that. Beautiful. And this hand can go nice and soft on the stomach. And now you're gonna be looking down, kind of like your body line over there. Right there. That's beautiful. Stay right there for me, Emery. That is perfect. Okay, let me just move around a little bit. Crisscross a little bit more so see one kind of like overlapping. Yeah, like that. That's beautiful. Stay right there for me. And if you move around her, you'll see how the angle changes and how much better it looks from a certain angle. So for example, I would take a shot from this side. So she looks nice and small and the stomach still shows. So this is the perfect angle for this pose. Okay, Emery, take a look at me, just with your eyes. Beautiful, okay. And now with the hand, just go like down your body line instead. Right, a little softer, so it goes like here, beautiful, stop. So the pose number 5 is leaning against the wall. This is easier because you can actually pull your weight and put it all the way on the wall, so it's not as hard because I know the gravity changes when you're pregnant, right? And it gets heavy here, so it's a nice break if you can like lean against the wall for a minute. So go ahead and lean against the wall. And let me put this foot on the tippy toe right there. And again, you can hug your belly, nice and gentle. Make sure your hands are nice and soft. And actually fix your ring a little bit and just soft, kind of like you're touching the baby. And think about the baby, look down and smile and say, hi baby, I love you already. Right there, that's beautiful. Let me actually move this curtain elbows in the way. Do you see it? Yeah, that is perfect. Okay, stay right there for a moment. Now, Emery, go ahead and bring that hand, the one that's on the belly, collect into your hair, touching your hair. Right there, that's another beautiful pose. You can look at me and maybe smile a little bit, giggle a little bit. Yeah, right there. And now hug your belly all the way underneath with both hands and give me the shoulder forward a bit. Yeah, right there, perfect. See, we didn't move and there's so many poses already. So she's staying in the same corner. I just moved my camera to another side and we're gonna do another pose here. So Emery, go ahead and bring your elbow out, like leaning on the wall, right there, and crisscross your legs like that. Beautiful. And now the hand that's on the belly, bring it a little bit higher, kind of close to me. Right there, beautiful. And now what you can do, soft hand over here, that's pretty. And bring your hand instead of on the tummy, like on the side of your stomach. Right there, it's more like fashion-y. Bring it actually closer to the tip of your stomach. Right there. Alright guys, so we're done with 5 easy poses for maternity session. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Ksenia Pro Photo. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. It's a wrap. Yay!